That. Go up there. 25 minus 18. I got this. Just in case. Okay. 136.5 is our center. 25 minus 11 is 13. Right on that. Okay. That's where the center is.
Once you fall, put a sign down for you.
Yeah. This brick is sharp on my knuckles. Come down. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Yeah, I got the sign. Oh, you're coming up here too.
Put a hand on the sign.
That's holding. Okay. How's it look stepping back?
It looks right.
Okay.
Mortar joint.
Yeah. Well, that's what we want. Okay. Just don't stand underneath it. You know I will drop it. Done with that guy now. Thank you. Whoops. Heads up. Did you see that one I dropped too? Yeah, okay. Thank you. My magnet's covered up on this thing. Okay, now I just need some caps. Thank you. Well, and really, gotta clean it too. It's pretty nasty for my dirty hands. Clean, clean, clean. That's what's on.